going direct to the left lane. Up the Jeep is. And the Highlander. Are you gonna run the stop? I just feel like you're going to. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I thought that was gonna happen. And red light runner. No turn on red, Volkswagen. And that was the next dive. Yeah, would you? No problem, dude. Signal, then turn. You're the jury, look, motherfucker. You're supposed to stop before you turn, right? I think you do. Oh, yeah. Was that a... Did that thing stop with a stop sign? I don't know. So what the fuck that was. Is your bike loud enough, sir? Pay attention, don't creep up my butt here. And let's watch the Jeep run the right on red. Yep. Yeah. You know, there is a button to push to stop us. Dumbass. Yeah, go ahead, Volkswagen. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, what are you doing? You gonna jump out in front of me? Yellow. Red. Was that legal? Oh, God damn it. Why? Hey, nice cutoff, Toyota. You guys, Toyota. The hell? Oh. Nice move, Tesla. Stop before you turn. Yeah, no one's coming there, Range Rover. Exit dive, I guess. Red light runner. Stop before you turn, and stop before you turn. I can't even see the fucking lights, man. No turn on red, Camry. And that It's a red light, run, because Camry.
Lost that luggage feeling. A classic written by Phil Spector, Barry Mann, and Cynthia Wilde, Killer Team. And of course, Phil Spector producing the original
Killer Team.
Version. The Hall &
Yeah.
Oates version did quite well.
Yeah. Phil Spector was quite the killer, wasn't he? Yellow and red, and you're supposed to stop before you turn, and you right turn on red after stop, right turn on red after stop, right lane only, right turn on red after stop, after stop. It says after stop. Red light runners. I think he ran the stop. He's kind of running it too. What the hell are you doing? Yeah, it's not how you make a right-hand turn when there's a dedicated lane. Hey, stop sign, Kia. Next start, maybe? Yeah. Stop sign. Yeah. Did he run the red? Did they run the red? Well, if he ran the red, right on red, he might run the stop sign here. Like that. A little closer, lady? For Christ's sakes. Yeah. I don't know about you, but I don't like cutting off oil tankers.
Even after a record 6 championships.
That stop sign! I don't think he stopped. I don't think he stopped. I don't think he's down there. Nope, 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 nope. Jesus. Can they stop back there? Oh, if you love me, by the next ring. Oh no! Who the fuck is? I don't know who the fuck's Jesus. What the fuck are you, dude? Getaround.com. Is this douchebag beeping at me? I don't know. There's a stop sign! Stop sign? Wait! Well, that... That was fun. Did he roll the stop? He's about to. Yes. Putt, 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 putt. It wasn't a stop, dude. I mean, really. You know, if you're going that friggin' slow, it's still not a stop. Thank you. The road didn't stop on my right.
Nor should it be. You didn't get married to get divorced, and if your thinking is right, you won't choose divorce. Alternatives exist. Having said that, if you're a man facing
Call that an exit dive.
like many things in life,
And a cutoff. Good move, asshole. I'm the woman that you see inside. No, what the fuck is this? Oh. Well, an ambulance is... What is your problem, douchebag? What the fuck was Well, that was an illegal left turn. Those are illegal left turns, you shit stains. 1, 2, 3. What are we up to? 5, 6, 7. And the red light runner, yes, it's a Toyota. Arrow to stop. I don't think you stopped either. Innocent, stand up and watch the stop sign runners. It's a do or die situation. We will be invincible. Oh. A dream you cannot justify. Direct to the left lane. This one behind me is going direct to the left lane. Yeah. Nice cutoff, Subaru. Nice pointless cutoff, Subaru. A little fast to Toyota, huh? Exit dive a little more, Lincoln. Yeah. 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 Turn, a turn, and 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 a turn. And that's not a stop, Camry! I think that Camry just rolled the stop. Lexus, are you gonna run the stop? No, it wasn't really a stop. This BMW on my right is no way gonna stop, but let's see if the camera will pick it up. No, it didn't stop. I hope the camera picked it up because that would be great entertainment, wouldn't it? Yeah, I think it would. To the sun. Yeah, we're in the stop back there. Stop. Just this. What are the chances this BMW stops when he's supposed to stop? I'm gonna guess he's not going to stop when he's supposed to stop because he didn't want to stop back there. Oh, Lexus didn't stop. Yep, he didn't stop. Called it. I called it. Head of sheet. Your turn signal, stupid. You gotta stop. You gotta stop. You gotta stop. See, you stop, and then you stop, and then you stop. Everybody's stopping, right? Wrong. See? They didn't stop. They didn't stop back there. Nope, they don't want to stop. No. Put it forward, dummy. That's it. Hey. Get up the Hyundai. What I'm gonna do. Oh, good move, Mazda. Turn from the wrong lane and cut off the Nissan. Good work. Nobody knows the ocean. Yeah, nice. Ready? Alright. Yep, douche maneuver. Speed limit's too low around here as it is. No, Christ's sake. Asshole. Another asshole. Alright, lady, roll it behind me. Yep. How'd I predict that? Yep.